What are you so excited about, Noah?
Wait, no,
Here, wait. Bring it out here. You can't open it without Jared.
Okay, come on, Maya. Ready? This side. This side. Ready? Get set. Go.
Christmas in January. Almost February.
Yep. The Pony Express is a little slow on water.
Yeah.
Now, it did say not open till Christmas, so I thought we had to wait a few months till the end of the year.
Go, hurry.
Wow. Scissors really helps. Wait, you gotta scissor the size.
Okay, I don't think the marshmallow ones are.
Marshmallow guns. Only at Julie says marshmallow.
Paintball guns.
Here.
See?
I don't think it's paintball, you guys.
Oh, yeah. Don't just drop them. First, we want to get them all out.
Okay, whose names?
Okay. Noah, this is yours. Okay. Oh, I see a blue one. Mine's blue. Paintball guns. No, these are paintball guns. This is what they're called.
Oh, nice.
No,
I
those
think.
are marshmallow guns.
Oh, that's a marshmallow
Okay,
gun.
marshmallow.
Nice.
Noah.
Whoa.
You put a marshmallow in here. You put a marshmallow in here, I think.
Yeah.
And then you blow this. It's
Whoa.
probably marshmallows. Oh,
Where's
right
mine?
here, I think. Oh, yeah, marshmallows.
Ooh. No eating them.
Can I eat one?
No.
Marshmallows. These are crayons. Not marshmallows. These are crayons, Maya. These are marshmallows. These are crayons. Okay, crayons.
Oh, I think
Nice.
those are for your stocking stuffers.
Okay, what the heck is this for? Chair?
What is that? Oh, that's...
No, this is not.
Does it say here?
Oh, here's marshmallows. The huge
Oh
one.
my
Oh,
God.
here, there's marshmallows in this also.
Whoa. Yeah.
What do you think, you guys?
Chickens are gonna be like, what? They're all gonna be hyper.
Oh, no, these are lettuce.
They'll be eating the marshmallows. Did
Can we eat some?
Grandpa make those for him?
Want me to shoot
I
you?
don't know if they
I
made
was
them
just
or
about
bought
to
them.
buy the pieces to make them.
Noah, we miss you so much. Love Grammy and Gramps. Merry Christmas.
Wait,
P.S.
is there anything else in here?
Maybe you and Jeremiah can
Our letters. Wait, we can shoot each
make
other.
more of these and sell them.
Ah.
I was going to start making them. I was.
Yeah, you were going to do that before, huh? All right. Say thank you.
I